everybody, I'm here today to talk to you about 5 ways to find a boyfriend or a girlfriend as an adult. If you are an adult and you're in the dating game, you want to find a boyfriend or a girlfriend, possibly to spend the rest of your life with, then I'm going to go over 5 simple things that you can do, 5 easy ways that will get you in the game. All right, without further ado, let's get right into the video. The first way is to volunteer. Volunteering is actually an excellent way to find a boyfriend or a girlfriend, especially one that's interested in the same things as you. Now, when you volunteer, you're actually going into a situation that you probably don't know very well. If you're volunteering for like a local charity or a local organization, you're probably going to go for like a single day or for a weekend, and it's not somewhere where you regularly go. Now, by volunteering, you're put in a situation that forces you to meet new people, and some of those new people might be your next boyfriend or girlfriend. It's as simple as that. Volunteering puts you in a situation that facilitates meeting new people, meeting other people that are nice and are interested in helping out, and possibly finding yourself a boyfriend or a girlfriend. Number 2, the second way that you can find a boyfriend or a girlfriend as an adult is to follow your passion to find someone that likes the same things as you. Now, for instance, let's say just by chance that you like playing golf. Then what you want to do is follow your passion. You want to go play golf at your local golf courses, go to your local golf clubs, local golf organizations, and you're going to meet other people there that also like golf. This means that if you happen to find someone that you date there, like a boyfriend or a girlfriend there, then they're going to like the same thing as you. Now, obviously, you probably don't want to find someone that likes every single thing that you like, because you want to find someone that you can relate to, but at the same time, you guys can complement each other. But by following what your passion is, your main passion, whether it's golf, whether it's biking, whether it's making money, whether it's business, whether it's educating, whatever the case is, by following your passion, you're going to find someone that has one major thing in common with you, and that's a huge plus when it comes to dating and finding a boyfriend or a girlfriend. The third thing that you can do is try speed dating. Now, speed dating is a very simple idea. It's been around for a long time, and it's actually very effective at allowing people to find boyfriends and girlfriends. Now, you might have tried it, you might have not had luck with it in the past, but it is very effective. Now, let me tell you exactly why speed dating is effective. You get a certain amount of time, whether that is 60 seconds or 3 minutes or 5 minutes, depending on the speed dating session that you're trying out. You get that amount of time to meet someone. And that means that you're gonna usually, within 60 seconds to 5 minutes, you're gonna have a good idea as to your compatibility with someone else. Some people there's gonna be potential with, and other people that you meet in 60 seconds, that's it, it's not gonna happen. It's just not happening. You're just not complimenting each other enough. There's just nothing there, right? So you get to meet 10 people, 20 people, 30 people, 5 people, however many people when you go to a speed dating session. This allows you to meet a lot of potential candidates for boyfriends or girlfriends, right? And when you meet those people, if you see someone that you're compatible with, you can exchange information, and then maybe you can go on a date and take it a step further. And if you see someone that you're not compatible with, well, then you can say, you know what? It's not going to work out. It's as simple as that. But try speed dating. It can actually be very effective because it can get you a lot of potential candidates for finding a boyfriend or a girlfriend. Number 4, the fourth way to find a boyfriend or a girlfriend as an adult is online dating and dating apps. Now, so many people have a problem with online dating and using dating apps, and I'll tell you the main reason why. They think that they are unreliable in the sense of them not being able to find them a good candidate for a boyfriend or a girlfriend. And that's because you have to really look at the apps and the online dating platforms that make you put in the time. If you're creating a profile in like 3 minutes, putting up one profile picture, and then just, trying to find someone in like 5 minutes, guess what? It's probably not going to be that effective, because if you're only devoting 15 minutes to finding that boyfriend or girlfriend, then everyone else is only devoting 15 minutes as well. And that's why no one has any onus on these potential relationships. But instead, if you look for an app or an online platform that either takes you a long time to set up and a long time to actually get into potentially dating someone, or even a paid platform or a paid app, there's more onus, okay? There's more ownership on that potential relationship, and therefore it's gonna create better candidates. It's as simple as that. You're gonna get people that are more invested in finding a potential relationship just because they're either paying for that app or that platform, or they've devoted a lot of time, so they're paying with their time. Last but not least, the fifth way to find a boyfriend or a girlfriend as an adult is to get recommendations from friends, aka getting set up. Now, think about it this way. Your friends know you best. Your friends know their friends best, the ones that maybe you don't know too well, like their other group of friends. So they're gonna know if you are likely compatible with someone that they know, whether it's a coworker, a friend, a cousin, an uncle, an aunt, whatever the case is. They're gonna know this like immediately. And then, you know, when they try to set you up, don't be completely against it, you know, because they know you really well, and that actually gives you a better chance of finding a longer lasting relationship, potentially someone who you can spend the rest of your life with, because they're doing all of the work for you. Like, they're doing all of the calculation of if you guys would be good candidates for each other or not. And because of that, you know, you should just be happy and thankful that they're doing that work for you and just giving you a potential candidate that you can date just like that. And that's basically it. In this video, I've gone over 5 ways to find a boyfriend or a girlfriend as an adult. I hope that you've enjoyed this video. If you liked it, be sure to give it a thumbs up. Let me know what you think down below as a comment. And of course, be sure to subscribe for more great videos just like this one. And that's all I have for you today. Thanks for watching.